So first we're gonna make the sauce. The ingredients are scallion, onion, soy sauce, tomato, garlic, red pepper, scotch bonnet pepper or chili pepper, ginger, sea salt, cinnamon, orange juice, lime juice, sugar, dried parsley or fresh parsley, basil, a tablespoon of sage, a tablespoon of nutmeg, pimento. Pimento is what made the sauce. Pimento is what made jerk sauce. Thyme leaf, white vinegar, and coconut oil or olive oil. Now I prepped all the seasoning and put it in one dish, including the orange juice. The onion, you don't have to chop it. You don't have to chop up anything. You don't have to dice anything. Just make it all because we're going to blend it. I just add some dried herbs. We're going to start to blend the seasoning. I'm just going to add all the rest of the ingredients. Be sure to blend it very well. Blend it for about 2 to 3 minutes on high speed. Now you just pour it in a container. So with all these ingredients, we got 4 cups of jerk sauce. Now we're gonna marinate the chicken. So we're gonna add the chicken quarters to the sauce. Add the chicken quarters to the sauce. And then seal this and put it in the refrigerator. You can use a plastic container and just let it marinate. Allowed to marinate for at least 24 hours. Preheat your oven at 150 degrees. Preheat your oven at 100 degrees. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees. This is the marinated chicken. So now we're going to lay it on a baking pan, baking tray. Put in the microwave for 6 minutes. We're going to bake some Irish potato. So just so that it won't burst in your face when it's hot, just bore some holes in it with a fork. I'll put this in the oven. Okay, this is the jerk chicken that we put in the microwave for 6 minutes. This is, if you cannot get to marinate it, just put it in the microwave. This is just my method. You don't have to marinate this. And you put it with the bottom facing up. Let me just lay the other one. This is a breast and this is a thigh. So this is jerk chicken. And you just take the sauce and toss all over it. You should preheat your oven at 200, and we're gonna do this slow bake it for 3 hours. Jerk chicken to be baked. Note, before you put it in the microwave, make sure that you put the jerk sauce in between the skin and the chicken. Tuck it up under the legs and under the skin. Set your oven at 200. Now we're gonna put it in. Put it on the bottom rack. In the middle, right on the bottom rack. As for these, I'm just gonna put these in over there. Cover it. Set your timer for 3 hours. Go sleep. You're not going to be able to see much, but this is how it look after 1 hour. I would recommend that you keep the oven closed. This is what it look like after 2 hours. Those are the potatoes after 2 hours. Now, after 3 hours, we're going to look at it. We're going to turn it. Now after 3 hours, I'm going to turn it on the other side. Now we're going to base it with some more sauce. Now put your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now put the chicken in. chicken in. Set your stove for 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're gonna check it again. This is 30 minutes. Now this is jerk chicken, so we're gonna check it. I don't know if you can see, but just dig in there and see if any blood is in there. And test the tenderness of the chicken. So that's jerk chicken, baked jerk chicken, 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 jerk chicken. Well, you saw me cut it up, so that's jerk chicken. See? So you can just put some ketchup on this, eat it with bread. So that's jerk chicken. Okay, the potatoes took the same time as the jerk chicken. You can tell it's ready. Just check the middle. So you know you can just cut it like that. Sure. You know them style, yeah. Let's put some sour cream in the middle. That's it. Baked potatoes. Jerk chicken and baked potatoes.